Here we go in Codona's Animal Kingdom funhouse. See what this is like. Oh. This way to the second floor of madness. Crazy mirrors. I can't have a face reveal.
Fun for all the family on the crazy funhouse.
No way we're having the SpongeBob song. Right, time to enter. I'm trying to remember what way it went in PT Vlogs video, but this is not okay. I'm scared I'm gonna hit something. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to cover my face up. You can kind of tell where you're going. Kind of zigzag. I'll view out of Kiddieland stuff. Little overview. At least going to pass. Back in for the crazy slide. Time to do. Oh my goodness, this is gonna get the craziest slide ever. Oh my goodness. Finally, we have a barrel. It's actually different to have it at the end. Some lily pads. Thank you. And there you have it. Codona's funhouse.